Are you searching for best bicycle repair tools box? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best bicycle repair tools box in 2024. 100% most popular products selected. Number 1, Riderace Bicycle Torque Wrench Set. Description: 15 pieces torque wrench set. The set includes 15 different sizes of torque wrenches, making it versatile for various bike repair needs. Dual direction bike Allen key tool socket spanner. The wrench can be used in both directions, making it easier to use and more efficient. Pro Motorcycle Repair Kit. This kit is designed specifically for motorcycle repairs, ensuring that it meets the unique needs of motorcycle owners. 1/4 2 to 24 nanometers. Torque range. With a torque range of 2 to 24 nanometers, this wrench can handle a wide range of tasks, from simple to complex. Features: high-quality industrial torque wrench with accurate scales. Force torque wrench. Easy to use, accurate, reliable. For the installation of a bike torque wrench, length of the best control in the 200 millimeters. Number 2, BIKEHAND Cycling Repair Toolkits. Professional Taiwan BIKEHAND YC617-2S Bicycle Bike Torque Wrench Allen Key Tool Socket Spanner Set Kit. Cycling Repair Toolkits feature adjustable torque tool with 1/4 drive and features a click mechanism to indicate when torque setting is reached, adjustable with small increments, individually calibrated by computer. Possibility to recalibrate the tool. Hex keys 5mm L, 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm and T20, T25, T30 torques included. Number 3, Riderace Torque Wrench Set Professional Bicycle Repair Kit. Torque wrench set 15 pieces 1/4 2 to 24 Nm. Dual direction bike Allen key tool socket spanner. Professional bicycle motorcycle repair kit. Number 4, CXWXC Bicycle Multi-Repair Tools Kit. Model, CXT05, weight, 214g, material, CRV steel, application, bike repair and maintenance, reasons TO by, multi-tools bicycle MTB Mini, multi-tools for bicycle repair, MTB repair tools, bike repair tools, motorcycle repair tools, car repair tools, etc., bicycle toolkit set. A set of bicycle repair tools and accessories, which is suitable for all kinds of bicycles. The kit includes everything you need to make a quick bike repair. Multi-tool kit MTB. The multi-tool kit is a perfect tool for bicycle repair, and it can be used as a wrench to inflate or deflate all types of bikes. Multi-use. This multi-function toolkit can be used for bicycle repair. MTB, mini bike repair tools, etc., slim, compact and versatile. This lightweight, compact bike multi-tool is built to travel. Fits into any pocket or bike bag, yet performs like a shop-quality instrument. The CXWXC Bike Multi-Tool is one of the most important piece of tool you should have in your saddlebag. High-quality material. This bike multi-tool is made by CRV steel. We pride ourselves on creating affordable, high-quality products that deliver the features that matter without those that don't. 5 by 36 by 1.18, lightweight at 55 ounces, exquisite and compact, easy to carry and use. Number 5, Best Cycling Repair Toolkits. Specifications: comes with gauge perfect for bicycle carbon parts, a 1/4-inch torque fix set, torque range, 2 to 24 Nm, tolerance and accuracy /4%, Allen keys 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 mm, plus 5 mm longer Allen key for easy use, T20, T25, T30 torques, high quality. Great for bicycle parts or bolts, made in Taiwan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.